What's up, everybody? Back up in Logan Canyon, up in Cache Valley, Utah. We're going to a very, very pretty place. So many beautiful views, probably way too many. Let's get this journey started. Let's go. Hey, welcome back. Just want to say thanks to everybody. I get a lot of support, and I think that's really, really rad. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do through my adventures, and I'm gonna try to keep creating sweet content for you guys. I do all sorts of kind of adventures, hiking to kayaking, climbing, jeeping, trucking, the whole 9 yards. So I just want to say thanks to everybody, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Until next time, it's adventure time.